Hi everyone. Today let's discuss about random forest. Random forest it is a popular machine learning technique for both regression and classification. Now let's dive deep into it. What is forest? A forest is nothing but a collection of trees. But how is it related to ML? In the sense of machine learning world, a tree is nothing but a decision tree. But how a decision tree works? From the data set given, information gained from the each attribute is calculated at each and every instance while traveling in the tree. After calculating the information gained, a tree is built according to it. But how random forest is different from decision tree? Have you ever observed this? Whatever classifier you use, if you fit it for multiple times and evaluate it with the same training and testing data set, then the evaluation score would be same except for random forest. Have a look at it. Okay, it is taking time to connect. Please wait. Yeah, it got connected. Let's import the modules needed first. Yeah, modules imported. Then let's prepare the dataset. Now I'm using iris dataset to explain you. Yeah, dataset is prepared. If you see here, I have made 3 classifiers ready for you. uh, Observe this clearly. If you observe this, uh, for the classifiers above, even if you try to fit and evaluate the model for n number of times, the model is giving you a same evaluation score, like uh, how many times you might have uh, fitted the model, but this model is always giving you this 0.777 accuracy for the uh, test data set. um, this is because you are using the same data set, I mean same training set and same testing set for the n number of times. But in case of random forest classifier, if you see that even if you are using the same training and testing data set, it is giving you a different output. See, previously it is 0.73, now it's 0.75, again 0.75, again 0.73, again 0.73. Yeah, but why is this happening? Suppose you are having a data set like this. uh, what decision tree tries to make? uh, it tries to evaluate the means calculate the information gained from the each attribute at every instance present, and try to take a decision like which attribute to use to proceed further, to make a decision tree. But in case of random forest, randomly data set is like partitioned into different data sets. Means now here I represented it as 4 data set. It might not be 4 every time. uh, Randomly different data sets are formed, and decision tree for each data set is calculated, means build. After building a decision tree for each data set made, each data set will predict you a different output. Then how random forest classifier make result out of it? It uses the algorithm of majority voting. Like here, if you see, first decision tree made it result as class C, the second one as D, the third one as B, and fourth one as C. If you take the majority voting from these four decision trees, then the output will be class C. Are you ready for hands-on? Yeah, then let's go for hands-on session now. Please wait for a moment, it is loading again. Yeah, first let's import the data sets and the modules needed. Oh wait, I think random forest classifier is not presenting in sklearn.tree. It is in sklearn.ensemble. Then let's import pandas. Then let's import dataset. And for splitting the training and testing dataset, let's import train test split separator. I think, yeah, we got all the modules needed. Okay, we got all the modules imported. Now let's load the dataset. By the way, I'm working on iris dataset again. Yeah, the dataset is like this. Oh, it is difficult to uh, go through the dataset. Let's process it and give it a fine shape for it. Let's use pandas for it. Yeah, we got all the features. Then let's add target class as well. Yeah, now it looks good to see. See, the four features like sepal width, sepal length, and petal width, petal length, and target length means target class. It is 0 or 1 or 2. The 0 or 1 or 2 in the sense, like if you observe here, target names are like Certosa, Vesicolor, and Viginica. These are represented as 0, 1, and 2. As computer takes everything as numbers. Now let's separate the training and testing dataset. Yeah, let's take variables like xtrain, xtest, ytrain, ytest. train test separator, train test split of, yeah, what to give now. We have a data frame that contains all the four features and the target class, but for a machine learning model we have to give it as features separately and target class separately. Now let's give it separately, like df dot drop, and as a y variable I'm giving target, then I'm giving the test size as, like, let's give 0.2. Let's see, give me an error like, oh okay, I forgot to put it in a single quote. Now yeah, it worked. Let's start building our model. Random forest classifier, I took it as RF. If you want, you can take it as model. Then model dot fit x train y train. Yeah, model is ready now. Oh, you got the score as 1. I mean evaluation score as 1. Let's fit it again and see. Yeah. Hmm. If you fit it multiple times, it might change. Yeah, that's all about random forest.